Hello, work life warriors. I hope you're doing well. Today, I wanted to come past and talk about play. Play is so vital to our lives. We work so hard, but we rarely play. And play is the way that we can decrease stress and cortisol in our body. So it's important to play. It's important to do the type of play that you did as a child, where you played for hours, where you woke up excited about the day. And it's also important to do the adult type of playing, which is ritual and belonging, or ritual and celebratory play, or friendship and belonging play. So it's beneficial, regardless of what type of play that you do, that each day that you work, you play as hard. As a matter of fact, you play harder because working is the number one stressor in our lives. And so if we're going to work, it means work is causing us stress and we're not going out of our way to de-stress and to reduce cortisol in our body. So the harder you work, the more you must play. You must play harder than you work to increase your happiness, the quality of your life, to add joy, satisfaction, pleasure into your life. You must play. I know it sounds very strange because you think we kind of grow out of play, but humans are forever juvenile, which means we are built to play until we die, and we're built to benefit from play until we die. As we play, our brain keeps developing, adapting, and learning about the world around us. And so we need to continue to play from birth to death. And it isn't optional. When you make it optional, you put yourself in harm's way. You increase the stress and stressors in your life. And statistics say that 90% of all doctor visits are stress related. So if disease and illnesses are coming from stress and stress is preventable, it's in your best interest to go out of your way to practice stress management every day, to work and play hard, and to bring all of the good, joyous, happy, satisfying, and gratifying things into your life through playing and making work a source of play. Work can be playful. What you're doing at work is adding so much value in the world. You can creatively find playful ways to do it and make the work environment a joyous place to be, some place that you wake up excited to go to in the morning. So again, it's your responsibility to manage your stress. Go out of your way to do so. It is not optional. Stress management needs to be a priority. Your body is akin to a car, and just like you have to fill up your car to get where you need to go, you have to fill up your body to get where you need to go. So make sure you're waking up in the morning and playing before work. You're playing throughout the day, and definitely de-stressing after work. On your off days, should be strictly focused on playing and enjoying yourself. I hope this helps, work life warriors. Have a great day.